All right, we're back in the car. Where are we going right now?
To the airport we will go. To the airport. We're going to go and see Matt Fanslow land.
Matt Fanslow is coming in town to Buffalo. We're going to spend the day with him and Bryan Pollock to get real buffalo wings.
Yes, because that Kansas City thing, if you've seen the video, wow, they were rubbery.
No offense, Kansas City, but, we're from Buffalo. We know where the real wings are. We're so excited to have them in town. We're going to hang out, and then guess where we're going tomorrow?
Yeah, we're going to Canton, Ohio to the Napa EV Ready Training Center. We're going to be there the whole week, and we're going to have a blast. A lot of video coming. We're going to do some episodes. So yeah, an entire week of EV training and some other fun things that you'll learn about later.
An entire week with Matt Fanslow. We will keep you up to date to let you know what it's like to be with him 24 hours for 5 days a week.
Hey, do we have to feed him tonight?
Yes, we're in charge of feeding him, and we're in charge of being his keeper, basically, his handler.
Oh, that'll be fun. You think he'll listen to me?
No, because he doesn't listen to me either. All right, we're getting close to the airport. Stay tuned.
Hi, we're at the Anchor Bar, Buffalo, the originator of the buffalo wing or the chicken wing, right, Bryan?
Yep.
Bryan Pollock's with us. Matt,
Wing expert.
our resident wing expert,
Yep.
wanting to watch the reaction from Matt Fanslow.
You guys need a hobby. I don't know what the big deal is. I've been to Hooters, so
Oh my God.
Of course, Hooters is the
You're walking back to Minnesota.
Hooters the baseline, right?
Yeah, that's the bare minimum. Bare minimum.
Very good. So did you have your first one?
no.
Tracy
no,
wants to get your reaction to this.
Now, are you going to blue cheese before or after? What are you thinking?
I mean, normally I would dunk it in there, but I want to get like the real,
Okay.
regular,
I
untainted.
was waiting for you to say ranch, and we were
untainted.
probably going to throw it
no,
out.
No.
Okay,
blue,
good.
Blue cheese.
And this is the regular hot.
So compared to the ones we consumed in Kansas City right away, the texture's way better. Like it got that
A little
crispiness.
crispier, yeah.
Where in Kansas City they were kind of slimy.
They were rubbery.
Yeah, they were terrible. The skin was
Yeah,
loose from the.
Yeah, you can't have rubbery wings. That's not good.
Yeah, no, that's good.
And that was a regular hot.
Yeah, no,
I think this one's going to be a little hotter.
I just jump right to the extreme.
Yeah.
It's hot. It's not bad.
No, yeah, that's got a lot of flavor, that
And
one.
those are the killers?
Yeah, they got a lot of flavor.
We also got Matt a beef on wick. Show him the beef on wick down here. See it?
So they're not as hot as those death wings we had, but the death wings tasted horrible.
They have,
they
yeah.
were.
They're
It was like
awful.
drinking Tabasco sauce.
It's like somebody had a big, shaker full of the really cheap, chintzy Costco hot, warning hot
Yeah, these have
dust
nice,
that they just dunked them in.
nice smoky flavor.
These taste really good.
Yeah.
So they're spicy, but more in like the back of your throat where it belongs, not just like burning your tongue.
Right.
These are really good.
Remember the back
Better.
of the throat thing.
Better than Kansas City for sure, right?
I mean, it's not a real high bar,
I understand.
but yes.
Like all we kept saying is we got to get Matt
Vastly.
to Buffalo.
Yeah.
Can you believe this?
Yeah.
You can't
So
believe
here he is.
And here he is. No, we're going to be all week in Canton, Ohio. But my God, we're here at the originator of the wing, and it's a really cool old bar. I mean, it really is. And there's so much stuff on the walls and all the great people that have visited here. It's a really cool place, and we're having a blast. This is going to be fun. I don't know about you, but I'm turning this thing off so I could eat wings.
Okay, we're at Barbell North. This is our second wing stop. This is my favorite, is Barbell. So Matt's had Anchor Bar wings. He really enjoyed the texture of those. Now we're gonna try barbell. Is this the hot or the suicidal?
I have no idea.
That's
Okay,
the
it's either
regular
hot or suicidal.
This is the
This
suicidal.
is
over here.
suicidal. That's the hot.
These are like kind of hot. These are a little bit more hot, and these are suicidal.
Carm already had the suicidal and said they were nothing.
Yeah, he almost fell out of the chair.
No, I
He
just
said
said
they're
the
fine.
hot and they were hot.
Okay, go ahead.
This is the what?
That's just the hot. Or the hotter.
It's like ketchup.
ketchup.
Where'd you take that from? Here?
No, no, over here.
Oh, that's the medium.
Oh,
That's the medium.
Those are mine. Don't take mine.
you want the rest of it?
That is the medium.
Do you think they're crispy?
Yes.
So the suicidals are here.
Texture's
These
pretty
are-
good, eh?
Oh, hot.
These are hot. The suicide.
And this is a suicidal?
This should be the hot.
Yeah, these are hot. I'm gonna try it hot. They look good.
Hot.
This one's not crazy.
Yeah. Eh.
It's good. The flavor is really good.
So far, I prefer the anchor bottle.
Hot?
No, I'm trying to place the flavor. It's a little bit more on the tongue. But I'm trying to place the flavor, and I'm like,
Cool
I can't place
Cool
it yet. Yeah. Ready Whip. I don't think it's ghost pepper. I'm guessing that's what the suicidal will be, is ghost pepper.
I'll do a suicidal one with you, man.
Right.
You need a flat or a drum?
I don't care.
You don't care? Well, I'll let you pick yours first. I'll pick from the remaining.
Pick one in the middle here.
Okay, this is suicidal.
These are suicidal.
Are you going with blue cheese or without? Just straight?
I've been going without, but
Okay.
I mean, whatever. I don't care. It's definitely ghost pepper.
Are they hot?
Not yet,
I'm
but they're
guessing
gonna
it's
be.
I'm guessing it's coming.
It ain't hot yet, but
But I
it's
haven't
about
got
to
it
be.
yet.
They're coming, huh?
Yeah.
But I like ghost pepper. I don't much care for habanero. Like I don't know the
Right?
flavor of it. These are pretty good.
He likes it.
Yeah, I kind of
These are
like
good.
these.
These are good.
Wow.
Very good. Those ones are good.
like it, Bryan?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a good chicken wing, and I got a little experience.
And that's suicidal.
All right, I'm gonna try some now.